Welcome back. This is video number 2 in the series on financing your BGU degree. My name is Carolyn Cochran. I am the Director of Finance at BGU, and my email address is carolyn.cochran@bgu.edu. Just a quick refresher. In video number 1, we talked about the choices that you have and the ways you have to pay for your BGU degree. The first one we mentioned was to pay in full and upfront according to the student catalog. This can be found on page 25. And the next way to make a payment is with regular monthly payments. These can be set up to process either automatically with the same amount on the same date each month, or you can make payments directly into your BGU student account yourself. Regardless of whether you choose to do it automatically or manually, one thing you do have to note is that failing to make your regular payments will delay you either from your class or pursuing your degree. The first question I'd like to answer in this video presentation is, what form of payment should I make? Well, BGU has 3 different choices for you. You can use a credit card. We accept either Visa or MasterCard, and that's the most effective way for probably both the student and the school. The second way is with check or money order, and that can be mailed directly to the office in Dallas, Texas. Or the third way, perhaps you're a global student and don't have a credit card, and the mailing of a money order takes too long. You can easily use Western Union as a wire transfer source. The only caution about wire transfers is the service fees associated. So do make sure you research and understand how much you will be paying to send and for BGU to receive your wire transfer. The next question I'd like to answer is, how do I make a payment? As we discussed in the last slide, you can make payments manually yourself in your student account, and that is easy to do by logging into your student account and finding the financial tab near the top. You click on that tab, and the next screen that comes up on the far right side, you'll see Make a Payment. I'll show you those screens in just one moment. Also, if you're a globally located student and find yourself with trouble trying to process your payment in your student account, you may want to try BGU's online student payment on the website at bgu.edu. The following is our mailing address should you decide to make a payment via mail. You can find this address on our website, or you can copy it down from this screen. And of course, you're always welcome to email me. I'd be glad to assist you. As for wire transfers, I would like to speak with you directly about that, and you can do so by emailing me. Okay, I have logged in to my student account as alumni, and you can see on this student account these buttons across the top. You'll want to click on this financial button, and then down below, as I mentioned, you'll also see Make a Payment. When that window comes up, you just click on Make a Payment, and that will take you to the payment fields. Complete them, push Submit, and your payment will be posted in your student account. Now, where you look to see when your payments post is on this same financial screen. You'll see the screen is divided into various sections. Trying to get my cursor over here. There we go. And the first one is unpaid invoices. One of the things that's most convenient for you to do is, when you work with your degree director, is to plan out the courses you'll take over a 12-month period. Of course, all of those payments are not due until you take the course. And so this section, labeled Unpaid Invoices, is the section that identifies the things that are on your statement but have not yet been paid. The bottom section here, called Recent Transaction, is basically a running total of your student account balance. And you can always see when payments post in this section. So, for example, the very first one located here is a sales invoice number 3907. 3907 is in blue. Anytime you see blue text on your screen, you'll know that that's a live link, and you can click on that to go and see the detail of what that is. That is the application fee for this pretend student. And then I'd also registered for a class that was $1,500. I have voided it, and so my current balance is $50, which is this first charge on the account. So this is just an overview. So once you make a payment, your payment will show up in this recent transactions, and rather than saying sales invoice, it'll say payment. And it again will keep a running balance. The very top figure under this balance column will show exactly how much you owe. Also, on this section, this grayed out section where you can make a payment, will always have your running balance there as well. So I hope this video presentation has helped you. Please don't hesitate to email me should you have any questions, and together we can work to come up with some solutions. Thank you so much.